A severe thunderstorm in Georgia resulted in the death of a man when a tree fell on him. The incident occurred during a storm that brought damaging winds and heavy rains, leaving thousands without power in the state. Despite efforts to save him, the 55-year-old man was pronounced dead at the hospital. Georgia Power was working to assess the damage and restore power to affected customers. Downed trees were reported across the state, and 3 local teenagers in Jasper County helped authorities clear a road by assisting in cutting apart a fallen tree.